Good morning, my name is Jeremiah with Affordable Mobility Solutions. Today I'm shooting a video of our 2010 Dodge Grand Caravan. This is a side entry mobility wheelchair accessible van. The ramp and the door are manual, very easy to operate, very low cost to maintain, slides open easily. This is spring assisted. You can see I can pull it out using only my index finger. I tell our customers if you can lift a gallon of milk up off the ground, you can probably operate one of these ramps. The ramp's 30 inches wide. It's got 56 inches of headroom coming inside the van and over 58 inches of headroom inside the van. It's got this carbon fiber floor, very easy to clean. Up to 3 back seats back there. It's got 3 seat belts. Got your little foot bar there. We've got a band across that to keep it from falling down. As they get older, they drop a little bit. So if you do decide you wanted to use that, you can take the bungee cord off and use that and then put it back on when you're done. Got 2 removable front seats, so you could remove the front passenger seat, put a wheelchair there. Also put one here in the back, and you can see that's where the tie downs go in. We give you a free set of tie downs away with each van, so you could potentially hold up to 2 wheelchairs at a time in this van. Headliner looks good. You can see the rear air right there. Dash looks pretty solid. I don't see any holes or cracks in the dash. It's got your stereo, auxiliary port there, dual climate control, rear air. Got some cup holders up here, plenty of plugs in case you have any electronics that you like to plug in. Also, we put brand new tires on this van, a transmission mount, sway bar link, and an engine motor mount as well. So we do inspect these vans, we go over them, we do not try to make them perfect, but also we do not just throw them on the lot. We inspect them, that's why we make these videos. We want you to know exactly what you're getting. So when you got everybody secure, come back out, fold the ramp up, very easy to do. Slide it shut and you're ready to go. Tinted windows in the rear. Like I said, 4 brand new tires. These tires don't even have 20 miles on them. They are brand new. Now, the exterior is fairly clean. It's got the alloy wheels. Certainly not a perfect van, but overall it's very nice for the age. We actually had sold this to a family, I believe about a year ago. They no longer need it. They brought it in, sold it back to us. We've already inspected this van once. It did a great job for them, for their family, but they no longer needed it, so now we have it back on our fleet. We're selling it to you. It's got the spare tire underneath as well. On the rest of the interior, I'm a non-smoker. I can smell smoke from a mile away. No signs of any smoke or unused rotors in this van. We always show you the VIN number. That way you know we're selling the van we say we're selling. A lot of crazy people out there doing crazy things, you know, so we try to show people everything. Be upfront and honest about everything we're doing. Pretty clean interior. Current miles 177,416. When I go to turn the van on, fires that first time every time. No check engine lights, no airbag lights, no ABS, so everything looks good there. Let me pop the hood so you can listen to it run. Underneath the hood had a 3.3 V6 engine. It idles smoothly. No signs of any leaks, no signs of any damage, no signs of any water damage. Everything looks pretty darn good underneath here. As I crawl underneath the van, everything looks good. Again, no signs of any leaks, no signs of any frame damage. Everything looks pretty good. And as I look around these vans, the number one mistake people make when buying used vehicles is they assume things. They assume because the price is good. They assume because it looks pretty in pictures. They assume because the salesman was nice to them. You know, that's a solid van, that it runs and drives good, that it's not all rusted out. And that's why I'm down here laying on the ground. You know, I can buy these vans up from New York and Chicago. I can buy them from a dime a dozen, turn around and sell them to you. But the difference is, the vans I buy come from the south. They're not all rusted out. We've done a thorough inspection over them. And we take them out and we drive them so you can see them. So don't assume things. If people are going to ask you to spend a lot of your hard-earned money on a van or vehicle like this, tell them to get out and demand a detailed video like this so you know exactly what you're getting. And people get suckered on the internet every day. Don't be one of them. Let's get it out on the highway so you can hear it run. Before I do that, we've tested the power windows, power mirrors, heat, air, cruise control, everything on this van. I'm sorry, this van Yeah, it's got cruise control. There you go. We'll test that out on the highway. We'll get it rolling. Okay, the final portion of the video. I always like to get the vehicles on a test drive, get them out on the highway, so you can see whether you come in and drive this van home or if you have us help you with affordable shipping. We've done our due diligence. We've made sure this van is roadworthy. With that being said, please realize you're buying a van that's 10, almost 11 years old with 177,000 miles on it. I strongly recommend a warranty on each used vehicle. I don't care if it's 1 year old or 10 years old. So accelerates up to 67, 68 miles an hour, no problems. I've got the cruise control set there. You can see the cruise works good. The steering wheel is nice and straight. It drives nice down the highway. And keep in mind, I know there's a lot of people out there selling mobility vans. We have an A+ rating with the Better Business Bureau. Look at our reviews. Look at all the nice things people had to say about us. You know, we try to do things the right way. We try to be transparent in how we do business. We try to be transparent on exactly what we're selling. And speaking of transparency, we do not have any hidden fees. A lot of these companies have a nice price on the internet. Then they have a $500 or $1,000 or $1,500 document fee or tag fee or things like that. And you know, I don't hide money from people. If someone's going to hide money from you and not tell you the real price, what else are they hiding from you? Are they hiding accidents? Are they hiding floods? Are they hiding mechanical issues? I don't know. That's up for you to decide. But if someone's going to hide money from me, I take that pretty personal. So as I come into this ramp here, nice hard brake. The sound you heard was my little jug down there scooting. But no grinding, no squeaking, no unusual brake noise. So everything we want. And no, it's not a brand new van, but it's very clean. Also keep in mind, when you're comparing us to the competition, I'm out here making videos. I'm the owner of the company. I'm crawling around on the ground because I want you to know exactly what you're getting. I'm not trying to pull any punches. Also keep in mind, when you call the competition, you're going to deal with a used car salesman. If you call us, you're going to deal with the owner. You know, these used car salesmen, they're probably going to be chasing that commission check. They'll probably be working somewhere else in a month or two. They don't care if you get the truth. They don't care if you get a good deal. All they care about is that commission check. So if you want to do business with the used car salesman, give the competition a call. If you want to do business with the owner, give me a call. 316-262-VANS. That's 316-262-8267. My name is Jeremiah. And if you're more of a text messenger, give me a text. 316-518-4377. You've now got the owner's cell phone number. I want you to try the competition. I want you to say Affordable Mobility Solutions gives me their owner's cell phone number in case there's any issues. Can I have your owner's cell phone number? See what they say. See if they're committed to giving you a good deal, giving you service, helping you out if there's any issues. See if they give you the owner's cell phone number. We do have some financing available for our older high mileage vans like this. It's a little harder to get, but we can sure try. So let me know if you need some financing. And as always, thank you for checking out Affordable Mobility Solutions. Oh, and I forgot, I apologize. Our website, www.mobility316.com. That's mobility316.com. Check out our entire inventory. We've got vehicles from brand new to a little bit older, so give us a call. And mobility316.com. As always, thank you for checking out Affordable Mobility, where mobility is affordable. Call us today.